Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com. And now it is week 3 of All the Books August, and I want to share another tip, tool, as well as artisan admin technique for using your pen to paper planner, your weeks, as well as your monthly schedule. Currently, I'm on 5 different platforms for social media. And mind you, it takes a while to manage all of that creative content. Well, pretty much I write every platform that I plan on continuing using in 2022, as well as what adjustments will I make while I produce my podcast for 2022. So even in thinking through all of that, that's a lot of work to manage, as well as you don't want things to fall through the cracks, is what they say. So, my tip, tool, and artisan admin technique for you is to go ahead and write them down, the current one that you're using, as well as the future platforms that you want to use. Because technically, some of the platforms change a lot of the features that they offer, as well as how you have to implement some of the strategies that you want to use in order to distribute your content. So, if you'd like more tips, tools, and artisan admin technique, I have one more week for you. Go ahead and subscribe, share. Until we meet online or face to face, be blessed.